July 8th and 11th at the China Guangzhou International Building Direction Fair 2022. Ctube makes a grand appearance in the Canton Fair Hall's number 5.2 33 booth. Ctube is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the field of electrical conduit. Our company obtained ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System certification and ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System certification. We have got UL, AS, NZS, LSCH, CE, IEC and other product standards certified and won more than 50 national techno patents. At present, Ctube owns 3 brands, Ctube, Legong and Puniu. Our product line includes UL651 listed American Standard Series, Low Smoke and Halogen-Free Series, Australian Standard Series, British Standard Series, Solar Series and other PVC conduit products. We sell very well and widely in North America, South America, Australia, Europe and other international markets. Ctube is committed to be the most professional electrical conduit brand in the world through continuous innovation of technologies, products and solutions. We will reinvent healthy and safe electrical conduits and provide competitive solutions for airports, schools, bridges, tunnels, hotels, hospitals, government projects, outdoor photovoltaic, wind power plants, and other applications.